Chelsea should go and give Osimhen the wages that he wants. In fact, not only Victor Osimhen, all the big strikers. This season, Victor Yoro scoring 50 plus goals. These kind of strikers, they have something to show. I'm telling you, they are coming with that goal scoring clinical aspect of a player, of them. So when they are coming, you have to pay the money. Chelsea should go and better pay Osimhen the wages and bring him so that next season we'll go and win the league and win the Champions League. I'm telling you. See, this is no. He already have the numbers behind, something to show, something to be proven. Like Victor Osimhen at Napoli scoring goals, Victor Osimhen at Galatasaray scoring goals. Yes, Victor Yogres and Co, Isaac and Co, Newcastle scoring goals. They already have something to show off. So you can't tell them for them to come and play to prove. No, they're already proving it. Where are you? Are you not seeing those guys at their various team proving scoring goals? To Boli and those PR supporting them. Are you not seeing Osimhen scoring goals for fun? So why are you doubting him? Why are you suspecting all these kind of strikers? So guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. In fact, guys, what are we hearing? What just happened, guys? For me, I thought because of what is happening in our striking position this season, yes, no player to be converting our chances. Yes, we don't have a clinical striker. I was thinking, guys, Chelsea will change their decision. Chelsea will change their plan. And Chelsea will change their thinking about Sane as a striker. But guys, information from Chelsea camp said that Osimhen release clause has been reduced or declined to 75 million. But still, his wages is still £250,000 a week. That Osimhen still wants same wages. Yes, he wanted last summer or last season. So for that matter, Chelsea doesn't have a problem paying Osimhen that wages that he wants. But unless he come and play for it, unless he come and perform to show that he really deserves it. But the get-go, when he is coming to Chelsea at initial place, there Chelsea is not ready to pay that wages Osimhen want. Unless or until he come to Chelsea and prove it. Like Chelsea did with Cole Palmer, and information saying that at the end of this season, Chelsea will increase Caicedo wages also. Yes, so that is what Chelsea is saying. As you are reading on the screen, you can pause the video and read the full information. For me, I'm summarizing it. We can't read everything here. And also, yes, a decision between the players and the board is that any season Chelsea will not play Champions League or Chelsea is not participating in the Champions League football, the players' wages will be cut 20% off. And Osimhen is not ready for that decision. Or Osimhen doesn't agree or won't agree for that decision. Cutting 20% of their wages off with their Champions League football when they are not playing Champions League. So guys, that is the information from Chelsea camp. Yes, as we are speaking now. Yes. So guys, let's talk about this more. In fact, Chelsea is saying that unless Osimhen come and play and prove that he really deserves to take £250,000 a week. Well, when you look at Chelsea perspective, guys, you may understand or will understand that maybe Chelsea don't want to do or commit that same mistakes we did with the likes of Romelu Lukaku, them coming with higher wages. At the end of the day, it didn't work. Yes, it's a loss, debt to Chelsea. The same as Ryan Sterling on higher wages. At the end, things are, yes, being difficult. So many players Chelsea signed on higher wages. When they came, things didn't work. When you look at Chelsea angle, that is what Chelsea is trying to avoid now. Maybe in the future, Osimhen coming, yes, being on higher wages, and at the end, things don't work or things doesn't work. That is what Chelsea is trying to prevent. But guys, let's come to another angle of this information. In fact, see, there is a reason why players are taking different wages. There is a reason why some players are taking higher wages and some players are taking lower wages. Yes. And this wage factor, even it doesn't matter how old is the player. Yes. What matters about players taking wages is their performance, their reliability. When Haaland was coming to Manchester City, the young Haaland, yes, he was coming with that striking, yes, reliability, that credibility as a clinical striker, that player being a good performer, being a goal scorer. Haaland was coming to City as a young boy, but he was coming with a great potential. He was coming with numbers, goals. So for that matter, as we are speaking now, Haaland is one of the highest earners in the Premier League. Upon his age, look at him at this age. He is one of the highest earners in the Premier League, taking higher wages, more than even his senior players in the team, the likes of Ruben Dias and co, Silva and co in Man City. Yes, even it looks like he's taking more than De Bruyne as we are speaking now, Haaland. And it is because of his performance, what he is bringing into the table of Manchester City. And he didn't start that in City before City started paying him that higher wages. He started that at, yes, Dortmund. Not only Dortmund, when he was that, I think, his homeland club, he was scoring goals there. One game, he nearly scored 10 goals or 20 goals or how many. So, he was coming with that numbers, scoring goals, being a good striker, being a good finisher. So, when City signed him, they put him on what? Higher wages. Because of what? His potential. Because of what? His reliability of what? When it comes to scoring goals. So, like, Chelsea will not be the first club to pay a player in the get-go when he is coming with exactly the wages that he wants, or paying a player in a get-go with a higher wages. Chelsea will not be the first club, and Chelsea will not be the last club. We saw it so many occasions. Isak, the striker that we want, when Newcastle was signing him from Real Sociedad, yes, when he was coming to Newcastle because of what? His goal scoring numbers, yes, his potential, what he has shown there, his previous team. When he was joining them, Newcastle increased his wages. Newcastle increased his wages. Yes, and not because he came to Newcastle and play to deserve that. No. Because what he already proven there or proved there. That is why they ink. With so many occasions with players, Manchester United, when they signed their Huijsen, they increase his wages because they sign him or he is coming as a good player. Although things are not working and things are working. So many players, Ziggy and co, even Anthony and co. In fact, almost all the big clubs, that is how they work, or that is how they operate, that is how they do. When a player is coming with that good performance, initially, at the get-go, at the beginning, they will increase the wages. No. They will not say because you were playing good at Ajax, because you were playing good at the Real Sociedad, because you were playing good at Dortmund. For that matter, we can't trust you for now unless we come to Man City before we increase your wages, unless we come to City and play to show that we must. No. It doesn't work that way. For me, until this owners came to Chelsea, I'm hearing all these kind of formulas and tactics about players' wages. No, when a player is coming with that proven Victor Osimhen and co, Isak and co, in a season, they are giving you 20 plus goals in a season. And there is numbers to show for it. Osimhen at Napoli, he was scoring goals for fun. Osimhen at Galatasaray, I heard he scored goals, yes, in the history of their team. He is the highest scorer. Just one season. Yes, even low. So these kind of strikers, they have something, they have evidence. They have numbers. They are strikers who can give you 20 plus goals in a season. They are strikers who can give you 30 plus goals in a season. So these strikers, when they are coming to your team, initially they are coming with higher wages. You have to pay them higher wages. Chelsea should go and give Osimhen the wages that he wants. In fact, not only Victor Osimhen, all the big strikers. This season, Victor Yoro scoring 50 plus goals. These kind of strikers, they have something to show. I'm telling you, they are coming with that goal scoring clinical aspect of a player, of them. So when they are coming, you have to pay the money. Chelsea should go and better pay Osimhen the wages and bring him so that next season we'll go and win the league and win the Champions League. I'm telling you, see, this season Chelsea needs a striker. This season, if we were having someone like Osimhen, Isak, those clinical Victor Yogres, those, I don't think Chelsea will be struggling to even make top 4. Even if we will not win the league, but not to make top 4, struggling at this point, waiting for the last games in the Premier League to now determine our top 4 position, or to now determine whether we'll qualify for Champions League or not. Because we were lacking that clinical aspect in our attacking line, our front line. And guys, you can't go and sign 30 million striker and expect him to play as 100 million striker. It can't happen. Players has level. Players has level. And not every player can play for Chelsea. Not every player can play for Manchester United, Arsenal and co. All the big teams. Not every footballer can play there. They are standard there. Winning, result you have to show there. That is why not every manager can manage Chelsea, Arsenal, Manchester United, City and co. Liverpool. No. They are level there. The standard there is big and high. The standard there is not easy. I'm telling you. Unless you are an elite coach or being elite player. Yes, player who can show consistency. So for me, this Chelsea saying that players should come and show that what and what. No. So are they telling us that, let me say, Real Madrid want to sign Enzo Fernandez? Yes, they are interested, even Cole Palmer. So if Madrid is signing Cole Palmer, so Madrid will then tell Cole Palmer that Cole Palmer will continue giving you the wages you were collecting at Chelsea until you come to Madrid and prove it. They will increase you. No, it can't happen. Because Cole Palmer has shown it in the Premier League in Chelsea so many times that he is a good player. So when Cole Palmer is joining Madrid or Enzo Fernandez is joining Madrid in the future, no, he already have the numbers behind, something to show, something to be proven. Like Victor Osimhen at Napoli scoring goals, Victor Osimhen at Galatasaray scoring goals. Yes, Victor Yogres and co, Isaac and co, Newcastle scoring goals. They already have something to show off. So you can't tell them for them to come and play to prove. No, they're already proving it. Where are you? Are you not seeing those guys at their various team proving scoring goals? Tolboli and those PR supporting them. Are you not seeing Osimhen scoring goals for fun? So why are you doubting him? Why are you suspecting all these kind of strikers? So guys, that is the information from Chelsea camp. Chelsea said that unless these strikers come to Chelsea and perform, they will now increase their wages. No. Even if they come and perform, yes, you can increase their wages. But the initial place, you have to pay higher wages because of the proven they already show. No. Then no player should prove or should improve himself. Then everyone should be average player. Then when you are coming to Chelsea, or when you come to Chelsea, you now play well to show Chelsea that, okay, you are good, they should increase your wages. No. That is why players, they are better than each other. I'm telling you. And that is why players always, they want to improve. The more you can play good football, the more they increase your wages, or the more your fee is higher. The more you should collect higher wages. So guys, that is the information from Chelsea camp. Yes, that they are not saying that they won't pay Osimhen that wages that he wants. But unless Victor Osimhen come and prove it and show it. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thoughts, yes, about this information from Chelsea camp, yes, about Victor Osimhen. Yes, and let's move to Dean Huijsen, Chelsea target. Yes, and before I go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Guys, Chelsea target, Real Madrid completed his signing. Dean Huijsen from Bournemouth. Yes, that Madrid signed him on 5 years contract. And they will pay his release clause 50 million. So now, Chelsea signing him is off. Huijsen deal done and dusted to Real Madrid, 5 years contract. And we are wishing him all the best. Good luck to Huijsen. Because when we even look at him, some of us, we wanted experienced centre back. And for now, I can say he is at the same level of Liverpool. Yes, and co, our young defenders. He is at that same level. Yes, good defenders in the future, as I said, they will become good. So now, since Chelsea signing Huijsen is off, I am wishing that if Chelsea can bring or give room for a champion, yes, to fill that gap, and then go into the market and bring us experienced centre back. Yes, where Chelsea to replace or to fix, to sign Huijsen to fix. Chelsea should send a champion there, our young talented academy centre back, the versatility centre back, Jose a champion. He can do it. I'm telling you, the guy is good. One all these guys, a champion, George and co, given the playing time, they are going to prove it. They are going to play. So Chelsea should send a champion there, guys. For me, that is my opinion. And then go and bring a reliable centre back. Yes, a leader, experienced one. Yes, because for Huijsen there, that is bye-bye. No. Now Madrid, even Madrid want him to play the FIFA club tournament. So we are wishing him all the best. So guys, Real Madrid completed the signing of Huijsen, Chelsea target. Yes. By the way, let me hear from you. Now Chelsea could not get him. Among all the center backs you can think of, who should Chelsea go and sign? McGay, name was there. Heto, so many center backs. Yes, if I can remember well. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing a center back. Yes, to come and replace Huijsen. Yes. And let's come to Leroy Sane. Leroy Sane, guys. Sane from Bayern Munich. He is now on free transfer. And information said that his agent has been offered him to Chelsea, Liverpool, and Arsenal. Should Chelsea go and sign him? Because information said that Chelsea want to sign a winger and a striker this season. And Chelsea link up to Garnacho. As we knew, Chelsea link up to Gittins. And now they offered Sane to Chelsea. Guys, Leroy Sane, Garnacho, Gittins, who should Chelsea sign? Leroy Sane, he is 29 years of age. Yes, 20 years Garnacho, Gittins 22 or another, I think 20 years Gittins. Who should Chelsea sign? Yes, when we look at our front line, it's like we are crying for experience. Yes, so guys, information said that Sane has been offered to Chelsea. Yes, so guys, let me hear from your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing these three wingers. And our striker, your striker, Christopher Nkunku. Information came that, yes, Chelsea will let him go. He will leave during the summer. And this will be an opportunity for Chelsea to even bring us that striker that we want. Because in the summer, Nkunku will leave, Ryan Sterling will leave, Felix will leave, and maybe Vega. And even Chelsea will get money after selling these players, yes, to use it and go and sign as that experienced striker. So this summer, like, I can't see the excuse Chelsea will bring with that signing as a striker. Like, there's no excuse this summer. We must sign a striker. Forget. Because if we are going to continue with Jackson, Chelsea will continue to be mid-table team. Every season, we'll see what happens in this season. Next season, it will be difficult more than this season. Because next season, Man City is preparing to come back. Arsenal want to sign a striker to come back. Manchester United, they said they are going to sign Ruben Amorim, all the players that he wants. So next season, the Premier League will be difficult. And Liverpool, they will strengthen their squad. Already, they have that experience in their squad. So this season, see, we have to strengthen our squad. We'll balance the squad. Now, Arsenal, they want a striker, as I said. Manchester United, Ruben Amorim came with his tactics. They said they will bring him that players. Now, current Real Madrid this season, they are having defensive problem. They want to sign a defender, Huijsen, trying to fix that problem. That is how big teams operate. No. You can't just go and be signing young players around the world without fixing the real problem. We don't have a striker. You are going to Ecuador to sign as a defender, to sign as Amogu. We don't have a defender. You are going to sign as who? I don't know. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought, guys. I don't want this video to be long. Yes, and please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And yes, after our game, Chelsea Manchester United, the review will come. So please turn on the notification bell. When that video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. Take care. Peace.